Top 5. Best soft-sided cooler, or heading to the next backyard barbecue, having a sturdy cooler handy is always a good thing. Number 5. CleverMade SnapBasket 50 can cooler from CleverMade. Not only is it one of the largest models I've seen, but it also comes with some really incredible features that make the life of any get-together you attend. First of all, the inside is completely waterproof and insulated. Waterproof inside liner. 2 side handles for easy carrying. Flat top for easier loading. Number 4. Mountainsmith the TakeOut model from Mountainsmith. Overall, if you want a personal cooler to hold your snacks and drinks, this is much better than the family size options I've shown you above. Features that I like about this cooler are the removable liner and the fact that it comes with a bottle opener. Durable canvas construction. Top handle for easy carrying. Side zipper for easier loading. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best soft-sided cooler or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Homitt 30 can soft pack cooler. I really like the craftsmanship of this model from Homitt. While there are only one size and color option, it comes with 3 layers of insulation, meaning that you can hold ice inside for up to 5 days, provided that things don't get too hot outside. Durable construction. Inside liner is 100% waterproof. Food-grade interior coating. Number 2. Coleman 30 can soft cooler. Far as cooler brands go, I really like what Coleman has to offer. I've never seen a product that wasn't high quality, and this cooler continues the tradition. What I like about this model is that it comes with a hard plastic liner on the inside. Durable plastic and canvas construction. Insulated to keep ice cold. Side pockets for dry storage. Number 1. Out Coolers Canvas Soft Cooler. Canvas cooler from Out Coolers. Part of the reason that soft-sided models are better than plastic is that they are much easier to carry since they don't have hard, stiff edges. You will get a cooler that not only performs well in hotter temperatures. Durable polyester and canvas design. 6 color options available. Can keep ice cold for up to 24 hours. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best soft-sided cooler or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.